Here's the 60-second script. Every chemical reaction has a hidden energy barrier, and knowing exactly how high that barrier is can mean the difference between a reaction that works and one that doesn't. The Activation Energy Interactive Calculator solves the Arrhenius equation for you instantly. Just enter two rate constants, their corresponding temperatures, and hit Calculate. That's it. Let's say a reaction runs at 0.015 per second at 300 Kelvin and 0.12 per second at 340 Kelvin. Plug those in, and the calculator tells you the activation energy is roughly 55 kilojoules per mole in seconds. No more rearranging logarithms by hand, no more unit conversion headaches, just clean, accurate results you can trust for coursework, research, or lab work. The calculator is completely free. Click the link below, run your numbers, and get back to the work that actually matters. Word count 39.